Alright, let's take one last look quick at the headlights. So, what I had to do for the cab is I needed to put this notch right here. Now, it happens to be right at that middle window post. So, I've already checked it and put it in there, and you can't tell that there's a notch there. But, it doesn't go all the way through, so that means I put the light in, which will pass through here. Okay, and then I put the cab in, as I didn't want to cut the floor in half and have two half floors in here. So I'll take care of it. So now all I gotta do is I put everything in like this, and I'm gonna goop those SMDs where they go, and I might put a dot of goop for the cab to stay so it doesn't sag, and then we get to move on to speakers, and we'll look at that a little bit. I'm going to get this thing all set up, and then we'll take a look at it again. Alright, it's audio testing time. Now, I took those Soundtrack speakers, which came in a little box, and I 3D printed some bigger cabinets for them. So these cabinets have 6 times the volume of the ones that came with, and we're going to test them. So I got my little audio tester here. Got them plugged in. They're wired in series, exactly as the instructions say. Which, I have to tell you, these instructions that come with it, it comes on a little business card. These are actually, that's good instruction right there. Okay, and it tells you to wire them in series if you're going to use something like we are, the Tsunami 2. Alright, so let's do it. Let's hit it. I got a startup of an SD45. Turbo. That's not bad. Turn up the volume a little bit. This thing's loud. Okay, now that's about twice as loud as any normal locomotive. So this guy's going to be pretty good. Let's turn the bass up. I'd have to say that's pretty good success. I just 3D printed boxes, put a cutout, gooped the speakers in, and gooped the covers together. It's all gooped. If it doesn't work, I can undo it. I'd say that's pretty good to go. I got this guy turned up here pretty loud. So that ain't bad. So there it is.